Does YouTube TV offer UFC content? Yes. YouTube TV provides access to Ultimate Fighting Championship, UFC content, through channels like ESPN and ESPN2, which are included in its base subscription. These channels broadcast various UFC events, including fight nights and preliminary matches. Number 1. Accessing UFC content on YouTube TV. Live events. Tune into ESPN and ESPN2 for live broadcasts of UFC fight nights and preliminary bouts of major events. On-demand content. Utilize YouTube TV's unlimited cloud DVR to record UFC events and watch them at your convenience. Number 2. Pay-per-view events. Main cards. Major UFC events such as numbered pay-per-view main cards are not included in the standard YouTube TV subscription. These pay-per-view events are typically available exclusively through ESPN Plus, which requires a separate subscription and additional purchase for each event. Number 3. Additional considerations. ESPN Plus subscription. To access exclusive UFC content, including PPV and original programming, a separate ESPN Plus subscription is necessary. YouTube TV does not currently offer ESPN Plus as an add-on. Therefore, subscriptions must be managed independently. UFC Fight Pass. For comprehensive access to live events, exclusive bouts, and a vast library of past fights, consider subscribing to UFC Fight Pass, a standalone service not integrated with YouTube TV.